So hey everyone, last year Realme joined the Android tablet market with the Realme Pad, a low-cost tablet. The brand eventually went on to launch the Realme Pad Mini, an even more affordable variant that provide a good experience for its price. Now the brand has returned with the Realme Pad X, a new tablet option. The latest tablet from the brand is more powerful and capable than previous models with a bigger display, a strong CPU, stylus support and more. Starting with the screen, the display is one of the most crucial part of any tablet, and the Realme Pad X happily does not skip on it. It has an impressive 11 inches LCD 2K display with a 450 nits peak brightness, DC dimming and HDR compatibility. For painting, note-taking and other creative purpose, the tablet allows stylus input. It features a 240Hz touch sampling rate and 4096 press sensitive levels, and is sold separately. The tablet is powered by a Snapdragon 695 SoC, which is presently the hottest mid-range 5G processor on the market. This chipset is already seen in the smartphones such as the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G and iQOO Z6. While this chip appears to have superior statistics on paper, it performs better on Geekbench platforms such as Geekbench 5 and AnTuTu. And based on internet feedback, it appears to be strong chipset. To make the power equally, there is a 4GB and 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage under the hood. A 13MP back camera and an 8MP ultra-wide angle selfie camera are included in the camera section. To keep all these features running, the Realme Pad X has a big 8340 mAh battery that can last up to 19 hours of movie playing and 11 hours of video calling. A 33-watt fast charging is used to charge the battery. Realme has included 4 strong speakers with Dolby Atmos capabilities in the tablet. Realme Smart Keyboard and Realme Magnetic Stylus, both of which are sold separately, are also compatible with the tablet. Shortly after the Realme Pad X was announced in China, the tablet will be released in other countries. In China, the tablet is presently available for pre-order in the colors bright green chessboard, sea salt blue and star grey. The base 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage model cost 1299 Chinese yuans, while the 6GB of RAM plus 128GB model cost 1599 Chinese yuans. So it looks like Realme is making inroads into the tablet industry, and based on their devices, it seems like Realme will gain a foothold in the tablet market. So what do you think about this Realme Pad X? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.